Hey, I'm Pat. I'm with the maintenance department here at PTI, and we're going to talk about how our Kenworth trucks are spec'd. So initially up front, it's a Kenworth T680. Some of the features that we have is every truck that we supply the CB for. On the windshield you can see our drive cam, and on our newer trucks we have lane keep assist and collision avoidance built in. On the dash here you see all the gauges, switches that work the operation of the truck. We have our XRS tablet that we use for logging and communication with the back office. That's pretty much it. That's what's special about the front of the truck, and we're going to go to the back and take a look. All right, here in the back of the Kenworth you can see that we run a double bunk setup. A lot of guys will use this top bunk just for storage, but in case you run a team or you have the seniority, you can bring a passenger along with, they can sleep with you up here. The Kenworths are going to have a rotating table that rotates in and out, allows for quick and easy use of paperwork and to eat dinner. You're going to have upper and lower cabinets, and then in the back here we'll get a panning shot later, but we have our Hvac controls, and the trucks in the Midwest are going to run an S-bar bunk heater. The trucks in the Southeast are going to run a S-bar bunk heater and idle-free APU. Here in the side box, we got plenty of storage as well as a inverter for all the electronics that the driver can use in the truck. Moving further back, starting with our newer trucks, we have pneumatic fifth wheel release in addition to air slide fifth wheel. The pneumatic fifth wheel release alleviates some of the shoulder strain by pulling the fifth wheel handle, and we can release the trailer from the cab.